One reason why Ibibio is among top 3 largest tribes in Nigeria is Ibibio is the dominant tribe in the Cross River Basin. If you deconstruct Igbo, Igbo is not actually a tribe. Igbo is a language spoken by several tribe-like communities or ethnicities. Different ethnicities are blanketed, all right, under Igbo. So Igbo is not actually a tribe. So if you deconstruct that, if everybody can return to their roots, all right, originally, you will find out that Ibibio is the largest tribe of all those other smaller tribes or ethnic groups under the cover called Igbo. And the reason why at times is as if they say Ibibio is smaller, Ibibio is not a large tribe, is because most of those who claim to be Igbos are actually Ibibios. They have taken up the names and identities of the Igbo stuff, but Igbo is not a tribe. All right, Igbo is not a tribe. A tribe must have its own language and its own roots, its own culture. All right, its language rooted in its own culture and tradition. Igbo doesn't have that stuff. No one single sub-tribe of all those tribes that are under Igbo spoke Igbo originally. There is nothing like Igbo language originally spoken by any single tribe under the cover of Igbo. There is nothing like Igbo language originally spoken by any single tribe under the cover of Igbo. Pre-colonial. There is nothing like that. Ibibio is the largest, even though Ibibio is not even under that umbrella. Okay, but when you talk about the Cross River Basin, all right, and when you talk about a place like Arochukwu, where there seems to be where the crossbreeding, let me put it that way, where the interaction between Igbo and Ibibio came in because an Ibibio patriarch, all right, married an Aro woman back then. All right, so the identities of those you call Igbo today, who actually are Ibibios, Arochukwu, Abriba, what do you call it again, Ohafia? All right, these are Ibibio core, but maybe they deny their roots. But today I'm telling them to go back to their roots because they are not Igbos, because Igbo is not a tribe. Ibibio is one of the 3, all right, one of the 3 largest tribes in Nigeria. What you should call Wazobia today should be Wazodi. All right? So it should be Wazodi. If you deconstruct that Igbo stuff, where everybody goes back and answers their father's name, you have Wazodi. So what does D mean? D means D, that is in Ibibio, it means come. So Wa-zo-di. All right? So Wazodi. No more Wazobia.
You all have heard what that sadist from Ibibio said. Minority tribes in Nigeria are not happy that Igbo is a majority. This boy is saying that Okwane people should identify as Okwane alone and not Igbo. Ika people should identify as Ika alone and not Igbo. Oshimiri and Anyocha people should identify as Oshimiri and Anyocha alone and not Igbo. Nri people should stop identifying as Igbo but to just identify as Nri. Ikwere people should not identify as Igbo but to identify as Ikwere, and so on. But he wants the different regions in Ibibio land that have their own dialect to be Ibibio. Igbo is a nation with so many regions and their dialects. All those Igbo regions understand each other's language. They have the same origin. They have the same culture and tradition. Everything about them is the same. But this boy is here telling us that let us answer our father's name. Make we not get that name where unite all of us will be from one root. That is what this boy is telling Igbo nation. The sadist from Ibibio did not say the same thing to Yoruba people. He just focused all his hatred, all his bitterness, all his venom, all his anger on Igbo nation alone. If you go to Yoruba land, they have Ijebu, they have Ekiti, they have Ibadan, they have Oyo, they have Ile-Ife. All these regions are Yoruba people that have their separate dialects. When they speak, they understand each other. And with that, they have a name that unites all of them, even with their separate regions and dialects. And that name is Yoruba. In Igbo land, the same thing, we have so many Igbo regions, clans, communities, and kingdoms. They all have the same origin. They all have the same fathers and the same mothers. Igbo people are of one root. All those Igbo clans, regions, kingdoms, and communities, they have one name that holds all of them together, and that name is Igbo. If you go to Hausa land, the same thing. Hausa people have so many Hausa dialects. They have so many clans and kingdoms. They have so many Hausa regions. They have their separate dialects. But one name holds all of them together, and that name is Hausa. But this boy focused all his hate on Igbo. What is his mission? He wants Igbo nation to be divided, for Ibibio to be the majority. This is for Igbo nation to know that minority tribes in Nigeria are not happy that Igbo nation is a majority. What is the population of Ibibio? Ibibio is a minority tribe in Nigeria. Ibibio can only be governor in one state, and that state is Akwa Ibom State. That is the only place where Ibibio is a majority. Ibibio cannot be governor in Cross River State. Some Yoruba people in Delta State are saying that there are no Igbos in Delta State. And that's because they want Okwane people to stay separate from Ika people. They want Oshimi and Anyocha people to stay separate from each other. They want Okwane people to identify as Okwane alone. For Ika people to identify as Ika alone. For Oshimili and Anyocha to identify as Oshimili and Anyocha alone. They don't want all these Igbo regions to identify with that name Igbo. Because they know that if Anyoma people embrace that name Igbo, that Anyoma people will be the majority in Delta State. That Igbo tribe will be seen as the majority tribe in Delta State. The landmass of Anyoma people is bigger than the landmass of Urhobo and Isoko altogether. The biggest tribe in the South is Igbo. The population of Ibibio people is just 5 million people. But the population of the indigenous Igbos in the South is at least 10 to 15 million people. And if we dey talk, person will be saying only one state they go fit be governor. Come online, they talk rubbish. Jealousy! How you think say this kind of people go support we Anyoma people to actualize Anyoma state? They no want make we even get Anyoma state dey for this South. Because they are not happy that we Anyoma people want to have our own states. If, for example, say our Southeast brothers get added as states, do you think that these evil people that we call our neighbors will allow we Anyoma people to get Anyoma state as a state in the South? They not go agree. Because they go talk say how Southeast go get one extra Southeast state, making their region 6 states. Then we where they South, we go come allow Anyoma people that are Igbo to get one more state. It is never possible. These people know that we are Igbo people, but out of jealousy, they don't want to make them see we Anyoma people succeed. They don't want to make Igbo nation succeed. They just want to divide Igbo. For Igbo to be a minority like them, all those minorities who want to make Igbo divide, they go cry. The Igbo unification movement is their worst nightmare. We will always be here to be exposing their lies and their evil agenda against Igbo nation. Just imagine, they tell Igbo, say, make Igbo stop to bear that name Igbo. Make everybody answer in Papa name. Make everybody answer their compound name. Make re-identify as Nri alone. Make Arochukwu people stand alone. Make them not they identify as Igbo. make Nsukka people stand alone, make them know they identify as Igbo. These have always been the prayer of those minority tribes in the South. Igbo is not just a tribe. Igbo is a nation. What is a nation? A nation is a people that have the same culture and tradition, migration history, and so on. That is a nation. Igbo is a nation that have great kingdoms. Igbo is a nation that have great regions. Igbo is a nation that have great clans. Other people in that Akwa Ibom state that their dialects are closely related to Ibibio, they are rejecting Ibibio people, saying that they are not Ibibio. Say these Ibibio people, all they know how to do is to be marginalizing people. They claim other tribes' territory. Oron people want to actualize Obolo states. But Ibibio people are saying that Oron people are Ibibio. That Oron land is Ibibio land. That they will never allow Oron people to actualize that Obolo state. Efik people, they thought say they not be Ibibio people. Make Ibibio people leave them. Ejaban people, the same complaint. Oron people, the same complaint. Ibibio leave them alone. No. Instead of all these Ibibio people to focus on their problem, the idiots they online they thought say, now we get Arochukwu, now we get Aberiba, now we get Abia State. Igbo people, you people should stop bearing Igbo. Make una identify as Okwan alone, make una identify as Nri alone, make una identify as Ikwere alone, to show the world that we Ibibio are the majority. Ibibio remains a minority tribe in Nigeria with a population of just 5 million people. These are the people that you see online with all those Benin and Yoruba people during all this their live session on TikTok and on Twitter. Now them you go see they talk say Anema people are not Igbo people. Ikwere people are not Igbo people. Ika people are not Igbo people. Igbo people leave Okwane people alone. Leave Ika people alone. Go with your 5 states. Leave all these people alone. They are not Igbo people. Their language is not Igbo. Now all these animals they do all those things. This is for Anema people to know the kind of people that they are calling their brothers. You are busy saying, hey, we are South people. See people all over this South. They are not love una. They are not like una. If to say we agitate, say make Anema stay there for South, this set of people not go support and they go there against them. Because they know say if we Anema people get Anema state join South, say our Southeast brother go still get one more state for their region. But they not go support that because they don't want make we get Anema state. They want make we Anema people they complain of marginalization. They want scatter Igbo nation. There is war against Igbo nation, but some of our Igbo brothers don't know. That is why we are doing everything possible to make sure that we actualize Anioma state and zone it to the southeast, so that our people in Anioma will know fully well that they are brothers and one people with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. These are the enemies that we have in this country. You just leave Yoruba people. You not drag Yoruba people. You not drag Hausa people. You not drag Fulani people. You not able to say, Fulani people are not one people. You not to say Yoruba people are not one people. Make Yoruba people they answer their papa name. You not talk and give other tribes. Now Igbo you just focus on. He said Igbo is not a tribe but a language. This is the same thing that Bini people are saying. So many minority tribes in this South. All they are saying is Igbo is not a tribe, that Igbo is just a language. Benin people that are saying it don't know that Benin language is not an original language. Go and ask linguicians, they will tell you the same thing. Benin language is a mixture of Yoruba, Igbo, Igodomigodo, Esan, Urobo, and Isoko. All these people now come together form Benin language. Go and verify. Benin use the Igbo for market days. What they call civet is Diabane. What they call fowl is Okoko. What they call area is Obe. All those things are Igbo words. All those words are of Igbo origin that Benin people use in Benin Kingdom. This boy is trying to prove to us that Ibibio people are of one origin. According to Ibibio historians, some of them said that Ibibio migrated from all those Jukun area in the Middle Belt. They said that Ibibio have Jukun influences, which shows that some of them are of Jukun origin. Ibibio is not even an indigenous tribe in Nigeria. They came from Cameroon. You welcome from Cameroon, you want to divide we Igbos where they indigenous for Nigeria. Where don't they this Nigeria before Ona even come into existence? Archaeological evidence is showing that we Igbo are the oldest people in Nigeria. But instead, they won't spoil our own. Minority tribes, that is how they reason. Sadists everywhere. If you go their TikTok live, their Twitter live, now wetin they talk, Igbo is not a tribe, it's just a language. Arochukwu people are not of Ibibio origin. Abreba people are not of Ibibio origin. Ohafia people are not of Ibibio origin. Ibibio people should go to Arochukwu and tell Ezaro that Arochukwu people are Ibibio people. Make them go to tell them for Abia State say they not be Igbo people, say they be Ibibio. Expansionists, Oba be did that place, they expand into Ibanke people territory. They expand into Ijaw people territory. They claim say they ain't get their land. Now Ibibio people now won't come start their own now to they claim Igbo territories. People all of Rande for Akwa Ibom State, all people, they deny una say they don't know una. Say they won't go on their own. Una still hold ground, they talk say all people will never get any state. Say they must remain for that Akwa Ibom State. Sadists everywhere. There is war against Igbo nation. Igbo are just surrounded by enemies. Now jealousy go kill our neighbors for this country. So Igbo, where we they speak since our history, is not rooted in our culture. If you come to Okwane land, what we speak is what Anambra people speak, is what Enugu people speak, is what Ebonyi people speak, is what Imo people speak, is what Abia people speak. Our dialects have always been our dialects. We call head Ishi in Okwane. In Anambra State, they call head Isi. In Oshimiri and Anyocha, they call head Isi. Ika people call head Isi. All over Igbo land, we call water Mili. So, how come is our dialects not Igbo language? How come is our language not rooted in our culture and tradition? This boy knows why. That name Igbo, they give all these idiots sleepless nights. He said that because Ibibio is a majority tribe in Nigeria, that what Nigerian people are supposed to be saying is Wazodi and not Wazobia. That in Ibibio language, D means come. If to say the boy gets sense, if I talk say there's nothing like Wazo, that what Nigeria should have is D. Because the same way where you take address Igbo, now the same way where you suppose take address Yoruba, now the same way you suppose address Hausa, but because of the hate that the boy have for Igbo, he is here saying that it should be Wazodi and not Wazobia. Whether he likes it or not, the federal government of Nigeria recognize Nigeria as Wazobia. So any minority tribe where they pay say their own language not there for that Wazobia, if you paint them well, make them go not transformer. Not be we tell our God to create on as a minority. So every minority tribe in Nigeria should take notes. Not be we tell on our God to create on a minority. Some of you people are found in only one state. Ibibio people. Now only one state that will fit produce governor is to tell you that Ibibio is a minority tribe in Nigeria. For Southeast, Igbo na majority. For South, Igbo na majority. What is the population of the indigenous Igbos in the South? 10 to 15 million people. Power, Kalia, Mpoto. Those minority tribes from the South that wants to see Igbo divided, una go cry. Igbo unification movement will always be your nightmare. We Igbo speaking people, we will do everything possible and see that Igbo nation unites. Igbo must unite. Those are Igbo brothers that are saying that they are not Igbo people. Today, majority of them are proud of their Igbo identity. Majority of them are now making videos telling the world that Anyoma is Igbo land. We Anyoma people are Igbo people. Ikwere people are Igbo people. So those people that think that by telling people that Anyoma is not Igbo, Ikwere is not Igbo, they are wasting their time. Igbo unity keeps growing stronger. Igbo bofu, and we will never allow any minority tribe that can only produce governor in one state, a tribe that their population not even pass 5 million people, a tribe that their population not even pass 2 million people, to divide us. The population of Igbo nation is 70 million people. 9% where we say their population are just 2 million, 5 million go divide us. They never say anything, they go cry. You share Gware.